Home. It's more than just a place. It's where our memories are made, where our families gather, and where we find refuge from the chaos of the world. But what happens when the very foundation of our homes is threatened? Cracks begin to appear, doors stick, and worries mount. This is where Dalinghaus Construction steps in. Welcome to our guide on understanding and addressing foundation issues in your home. In the next several minutes, we'll explore the importance of home ownership, the common signs of foundation problems, and the solutions that can bring peace of mind. Home ownership is more than just a financial investment. It's an emotional one. It's where we pour our hearts and souls, where we build our lives and create our futures. That's where Dalinghaus Construction comes in. We understand the fears and the stresses that come with home issues, and we're here to provide guidance and support every step of the way. Foundation problems can be among the most daunting challenges a homeowner faces. From cracked walls to uneven floors, these issues can affect the structural integrity and safety of your home. But here's the good news: you're not alone. With the right support and expertise, these challenges can be overcome. Understanding the type of foundation your home has is crucial in identifying potential issues. There are three primary types: slab on grade, raised, and basement. Each type presents its own set of challenges. But with proper maintenance and care, many issues can be prevented or addressed. Now, let's take a closer look at some common signs of foundation problems. These can include sticky doors and windows, cracks in walls and ceilings, water leaks, sloping floors, and cracks in your drywall or stucco. If you notice any of these signs in your home, it's essential to take action promptly. Ignoring these issues can lead to more significant problems down the road. Fortunately, there are several methods of foundation repair that can restore stability and integrity to your home. These include underpinning with either push piers or helical piers, polyurethane injection repair, crawl space jacks, and concrete foundation repair. Each method is tailored to address specific issues and restore your home to its optimal condition. In conclusion, your home is more than just a building. It's a reflection of who you are and what you value most. When foundation issues threaten that sanctuary, Dalinghaus Construction is here to help. Contact us today to schedule a foundation inspection and take the first step toward protecting your home and your peace of mind. Together, we can ensure that your home remains a place of comfort, safety, and joy for years to come.